Welcome to another video. You're watching Handlebar Explorer. It's a new day. I am going to do about 120k. I'm with one guy. He is behind me. Already did 28.6k. Yeah, so we are going to Nongpo. I'm at 29. There is the guy. So, you probably saw him on episode 20. Check it out. Well, I know the route. I have been to there 25 days ago as well, and way back in May and April as well. Pretty sick views though. It's still foggy because today is the day after Diwali. There is fair bit of headwind. Not really enjoying the wind. I forgot to get my bandana as well. We'll keep updating on highlights. This is going to be a short video, like trying to keep it short and fast. Sort of downhill. The sun is not out yet. I mean, it is out, but it is not out. Not trying to show properly. We are reaching Bonihat. We're gonna stop at a petrol pump for PP and then move ahead 20-25 kilometers and then head back. Basically, Nongpo ja raha hai. Yeah, that's the view, that's the city that's upcoming. There is the sun, finally got out. There is fair bit of headwind and it's kind of cold. And it's gonna be cold by the time we reach there. But 10:30 बजे 11 बजे तक पहुंच जाना चाहिए. So I don't know, sun might get out there as well. Let's see. Got some water, got a Nimbus for sodium, and now the climb begins. Dead. Going to go about 25 kilometers from here, that's all. At about 44 kilometers, still climbing. These are my back. Speed is pathetic, like 7.4 and stuff. Taking it easy today, but yeah, the views are pretty nice actually. देखते हैं आगे में कैसा है. But it's getting a bit hot, so I'm gonna have to remove these covers. Had a couple of bananas. Off we go. This is the view. Cars are coming in. Climbs ahead. Good views, but more uphill ahead. I think toll is coming in about 1.5 kilometers or so, I guess. Let's see. So far so good. Ooh, we can see the toll. Can you see the toll? Check it out. There is the toll. We might wait here for some time. Might. 45.8k. We have to climb the entire hill that you can see on the front. So that's the update. Yeah, let's see. Finally, some bit of downhill. Whew. Whatever goes up must come down, and whatever comes down will definitely go up. So yeah, I have to shift and change my gear and hold properly. So yeah, he left way ahead because I had to open my arm covers and all. So yeah, gotta keep. Whatever comes down must go up. So uphills have started, and I'm at 50k, 49.6. Update is, oh, he's behind me, just coming. There was a sweet downhill, did that part, about 4-5 kilometers, not much. I guess probably 2 kilometers or so. I did not realize. But this uphill is going to be almost 10 kilometers long. So dead. Uske baad we gonna head back. That's the plan. Nongpu 9 kilometer. That's where we are going. And that's what the up looks like. Even the trucks are getting slow. So yeah, 9 kilometer baki hai. So we'll keep you updated. Feeling pretty fine so far. 7 kilometers per hour, bro. On this side, and my dude coming in hard. My dude and I, we are going almost the same speed. More uphills coming up. Man, this is crazy. Mad uphills.
Haunted by my mind, victim or the prey. Everything is fine. Take me to my grave. Bury me alive, keeping me astray.
One of the crazy uphills ahead. Like, I don't even know how to make you understand how steep it is. But yeah, maybe you can see behind me, it's pretty down there. It's getting hot as well, but we are going strong.
ফাটি গৈছে অৱস্থা বেয়া হৈ গৈছে তথাপিও আমি যাম
About 7 kilometers left. Lips are getting dry, probably dehydrated. Look at the truck. Even the truck is slow, same as our speed almost. Probably 1 or 2 kilometers per hour more, but yeah. Update wise, almost about to reach destination. There is a new dosa place that I saw the other day. I mean, I have been seeing, just मैं खाता नहीं तो इसलिए नहीं रुकता है, but today I'm feeling a bit hungry. खाएगा रुक के, पहले देख लेगा, because the prices are usually, because this is like a touristy area, so prices are usually unreasonable. But if it is reasonable, then we might eat it. So let's see. So that's the front. 2 किलोमीटर बाकी है, 1.5 किलोमीटर बाकी है नोम्पू पहुंचने में. सो या वी आर टेकिंग इट इजी. 3.5 hours हो गया है राइडिंग टाइम. सो वी ऑर्डर्ड masala dosa each, and that's about it. We're gonna head back from here. Head back now, head back now, कारण हमारा टाइम होना है ना, sorry, distance to होना है. We are at 58.6. So आरो 2 किलोमीटर जाम मेन टाउन to cross करिम. and then सीधा सीधी energy to live. So yeah, that's about it. Okay, leaving, getting ready. We had dosa at Dosa Express, decent enough. The price was like diner price, like AFC kind of price, like joint kind of price. So it's the same price everywhere. So we decided that we'll eat it and we'll get going. So अभी क्या करेंगे, यहाँ से जाएंगे 2-3 किलोमीटर and then we'll head back from there. We're at Nongpu. We are at Nongpu, but we're gonna do the turn here and head back from that side. देख लेते हैं, पीछे गाड़ी नहीं है. This is the Nongpu city for you. थोड़ा सा uphill है. There is a little bit of uphill on the going side, but उसके बाद there is downhill. So I might not be able to shoot because handheld है. Like I don't even have any mounts or anything, and there is pretty huge headwind. But good thing my dude has chest mount, so chest mount पे ही लगा लेंगे उसका, and then we'll use the footages and all. It's pretty breezy out here. Nice weather even though the sun is out, but ठंडा ठंडा है, बट फिर भी इट्स लाइक टू मच विंडी एक्चुअली. एंड माय BB is making noise, crazy noise actually. Have to check it up soon. Okay, we're heading out at 64 kilometers right now. Should reach home in about 2.5 hours. Time is about 11:15 or something. So let's see. 1:30-2 बजे तक पहुंच जाएगा शायद. So that's the frontal view. Pretty amazing. So the next destination, not destination exactly, but next big city is about 17 kilometers away, which is a flat. So downhill होगा काफ़ी, about 17 kilometers of downhill, and then we're gonna enter the flats, and then we're gonna start entering the city. A little bit of uphill here. A little bit, not too much, but there's going to be downhill as well, super fast. So yeah, what you can see, but there is downhill up ahead. Left and there is car on our back. So yeah, pretty risky, not taking up speed so much, just gliding down. Alright, I gotta keep, because I cannot hold this and then ride and control over the brake, have control over the brake and stuff. So yeah, bye. Still part of downhill, pretty sketchy, and I'm holding one hand and riding at a speed of 40.1, I mean 41, and no brakes. I mean, I'm not holding brakes yet, but yeah, it's fun, having a lot of fun. Insanity, riding at 1 by 1. There is the uphill section. उसके बाद टोल है, and he is way behind me, I guess, probably 2 minutes behind me at least. So we'll have to wait for him. I'll wait for him at the toll. But yeah, 75.5k done. I have about 45k to go. Feeling absolutely bloated. Had an amazing dosa. I think I said that, but I'm saying it again. But yeah, feel like taking a bath and sleeping because of all these kind of dust. But yeah, you know how it goes. Okay, so he's back. Just took him about 1 or 2 minutes. Like I said, I brought a Coke, so I'm gonna have the Coke and head out from here. यहाँ से, this is a toll. यहाँ से निकलते ही there is a little bit of downhill, and then we're gonna reach Bonihat, and then Zorabat, and then my home. 76k, so probably 45k left. Almost into the flat, into the dirt, out of the nature. At 83.8k, about 40 kilometers for me. Less than 40, but yeah, more or less 40. Finally reached Assam. This is the border called Zorabat. बहुत बार दिखाया है. There has been many videos. I have put out many videos because I have been through this route multiple times. I'm gonna go straight, and yeah, I guess this is the wrap. आगे क्या ही देखना है. 25 किलोमीटर है, 27 किलोमीटर है, and then I'm gonna reach my home. So yeah, that's about it. See you on the next